Penggemar ninja ini membuat pedangnya sendiri dan melakukan trik di ladang pertaniannya di Mesir. Abdul Qadir Ahmad bercita-cita menjadi seorang ninja sejak kecil. Setelah menonton kura-kura ninja di televisi.
When I was young, I used to imitate the Ninja Turtles, Raphael, Donatello, and Michelangelo. I liked them because they were the good guys, and Shredder was the bad guy. I was so attached to them. When I travelled abroad, I really wanted to be like them, and I was blessed with a trainer who taught me everything.
Ahmad belajar seni ninjutsu dari seorang pelatih pribadi di Libya. Sekarang dia mengajarkan ninjutsu dan parkour kepada penggemar di daerahnya.
I don't train anyone professionally, but I really wish the sport would be more widespread. I also want parkour to be widespread. I'm thankfully one of those who founded parkour in Egypt. As for ninjutsu, I mostly train armies and police personnel, as those are the ones who protect the country. I can't train anyone to be a ninja because there are weapons and some very dangerous techniques behind